Mbaise, we celebrate Christmas according to the market day, aka Oreo Apple. But today, this is Oreo Ewa, mean that the people that Christmas day. And we're here celebrating with our loved ones. Look at the environment, look at the surrounding.
Hello, everyone. This is Charity. This is Christmas in Mbaise. Let me tell you, for those of you who doesn't like coming home, this is how it is celebrated. You know the culture of Mbaise people. This is how Christmas is celebrated in Mbaise. We have this market here, aka Oreo Afo, and for each from 25th December, that's when the Christmas starts. The day of your market is the day you celebrate with friends and well wishers. You invite them, you cook, you party a lot. In fact, it is fun. And during this period, this is the time you see so many families, some old time friends you've not seen for 30, 20 years. And this is the time for reconciliation, the time for love. In fact, it is fun for those of you who have missed the opportunity. This is the high time you start coming home to see and embrace our rich cultural heritage. And from here, you are saying today is Aforo. That is the Aforo market, and Aforo people are celebrating their Christmas today. You're seeing from the video, this is market. They're buying their goods, they're buying so many things for them to cook. So, whether you are in town, you are in Nigeria, you are in diaspora, you missed a lot. You have to be coming home. This is Christmas celebration in Mbise. Thank you. And watch more video on this channel. This video is meant for our brothers and sisters in diaspora who are not in Nigeria, who have been longing to come home. This is Christmas settings in Mbaise, Imo State. Here we are going to identify the different cultural background that binds Mbaise people together. Make sure you stay on this channel and watch this video to the end. We are starting from Ahiara, that is Ahiara Declaration. Going to highlight the importance of Ahiara Declaration, that is the Ahiara Trade Center, formerly known as Ahiara Technical College, Ahiara. Also the Aforu Market, how Aforu started, the Bodahera, the oldest court in Mbaise, which is more than 120 years, located at Obodo Ahiara. I'm going to highlight the importance of Ikoro. Stay tuned on this channel. You are going to enjoy it. This is the update of Christmas in Mbaise. and we are highlighting today Ahiara Technical School, located in Ahiara, Mbaise, Imo State, Nigeria. This school or location played a vital role in Nigerian history. On May 31st, 1969, the school was the venue where the Ahiara Declaration was made. The Ahiara Declaration was a speech delivered by Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu, the leader of the secessionist state of Biafra during the Nigerian Civil War, 1967 to 1970. In the declaration, Ojukwu outlined the principles and objectives of the Biafran struggle for independence from Nigeria. The declaration emphasized the need for self-determination, economic survival, and the protection of the Igbo's people's rights and interests. It also highlighted the perceived injustice and marginalization of the Igbo people within the Nigeria Federation. Ahiara Technical School was chosen as the venue for the declaration due to its strategic location and accessibility. The event was attended by top Biafran officials, military officers, and other stakeholders. Today, Ahiara Technical School remains a significant historical landmark in Nigeria, symbolizing the country's complex and tumultuous past. Ahiara Technical School, located in Ahiara, Mbaise, Imo State, Nigeria, played a significant role in Nigerian history on May 31st, 1969. Watch more videos as this unveils.
Hello, great viewers. This is Obodo Ahiara, the ancient Obodo Ahiara market. This is one of the oldest markets in Ahiara, Mbaise, Imo State. This is Obodo Ahiara in Ahiazu, Mbaise. Watch my videos as I take you to the old customary courts which have been in existence more than 100 years old, to tell you that the ancient Mbaise city has a vision, they have a pride, they have a culture, and have a lifestyle. Mbaise is a great city. Don't miss out. If you're one of the people that has not been coming home to Mbaise, it is high time that you start coming home. There's a great innovation and opportunities in Mbaise city.
Ikoro is a traditional drum originating from the Igbo people of southern East Nigeria, particularly in the Mbaise region. This is brief history and significance of Ikoro in Mbaise. The history of Ikoro in Mbaise, it has its roots in ancient Igbo culture with evidence of the 15th century. The drum was an integral part of Mbaise community life. It is used for communication, celebration, and ceremonial purposes. Ikoro is considered a sacred instrument, often played during important events like festivals, weddings, and funerals. When the community plays the Ikoro, it signifies several important events or announcements. Number 1, call to assembly. The Ikoro serves as a call to gather the community for important meetings, ceremonies, or announcements, celebration, and festivals. The drum is played during festivals like the New Yam Festival, Ofala Festival, and other cultural celebrations. War and conflict resolution. Historically, the Ikoro is used to summon warriors to battle or to announce the resolution of conflicts. Death and mourning. The drum is played during funeral rites to announce the passing of a community member and to pay respect, especially the chiefs and the Ezes. Communication and messaging. The Ikoro is used to convey messages between villages and communities, serving as a form of early communication system. The playing of Ikoro is often accompanied by traditional dancers, singing, and storytelling, which adds to the richness and cultural significance of the event. Subscribe, like, and share my video. Make sure you fix your eyes on this channel, Ancestral Property Plus. Thank you. Charity Mbaise.